Hello everyone. Today let's understand the most common worrisome problem, stretch marks, which are very much bothering to the people nowadays. These stretch marks happen in various categories like the pregnant ladies and the teenagers during their growth spurt. Another category, the obese people with excessive weight gain, and again when they go for aggressive gym activity. And another category is the wrong usage of steroid creams for various indications which are self-medication resulting in the striae. Let's understand why the stretch marks happen. We have the normal elastic property to the skin. When this elastic property is lost, like when the skin is stretching beyond this elastic property due to the obesity or aggressive exercise and all, resulting in the breakdown of underlying collagen and elastin fibers, the stretch marks will result. Initially, they appear as the pinkish red stria. Over the time, as the time passes, they become white, pale skin to striae. And let's understand why do they happen in these various age groups. During the pregnancy, after the second trimester, because of the fetal growth, when the abdomen is stretching, the striae tends to happen. In the growth spurt, because of the hormone changes and stretching of the skin because of the growing body, they do happen. In obesity, because of the seepage of the fat between the collagen and the elastic fibers, the weakening of these and breakdown of the collagen resulting in the overstretching of the skin leading to the stretch marks. And coming to the last category, that is the misusage of the steroid creams without the doctor's prescription. People are picking up these creams from the like betnovate, mometasone, clobetasol from the medical pharmacies and using for these medications like are being used for the fungal infections, particularly when they are used in the sensitive areas like the groin, beneath the breast folds, where the skin is already thin and sensitive. They result in the stretch marks causing more damage. Now let's look how to prevent the stretch marks. So stretch marks can be prevented mainly in the pregnancy and the teenagers by applying regular moisturizers. When the skin is moist, it prevents the tendency to cause the stretch marks. Not only this, simple oils, you need not go for the costly bio oils which are being advertised. You can go for simple coconut oil, olive oil and then badam oil for the regular application twice daily over the concerned areas. And another thing, avoiding the obesity. Don't grow overweight, which results in stretching of the skin. And another thing is, don't go for the vigorous gym activity, which results in like taking heavy weights from the beginning, trying to lift them. So gradual exercises and diet regulation, preventing the obesity, we can prevent the stretch marks. The last important thing is not using the wrong medications for the various indications. Do not self-medicate and do not abuse the steroid creams, because the stretch marks happening from these are very difficult to treat and they are irreversible. Now let's look into whether stretch marks are really treatable. Yes, they are treatable, but they are not completely erasable. So, as dermatologists, we give various modalities of treatments for the stretch marks like chemical peels, skin polishing, that is microdermabrasion, micro needling technology and radiofrequency treatments. Even the combination of micro needling and RF technology being used for the treatment of the stretch marks. Also, we use various lasers like fractional CO2 laser, erbium yard laser for reduction of the stretch marks. Nowadays, even the PRP treatment, that is platelet-rich plasma therapy, is being used for reduction of the stretch marks. So, depending upon the area and the age of the patient and the pregnancy or non-pregnancy state, all these things are being considered when we treat the stretch marks. The combination of these treatments with the regular usage of moisturizers, even some hyaluronic gel preparations which moist the skin, they help in preventing and reducing the stretch marks. And there are a lot of fancy advertisements in the Google and the social media circulating which claim that stretch marks are completely removable, which is a false statement. So definitely we can treat the stretch marks, but to some extent. Always we know that prevention is better than cure. So let's understand why they form, and now by regular usage of moisturizer, preventing the obesity, going for regular exercises, and even during the pregnancy, doing the prenatal yoga, which helps in toning of the skin and preventing the tendency of the stretch marks, helps us in removing. And always go to the right expert and treat like qualified dermatologist and seek the advice. In our Omega clinics, we have all the set of treatments like chemical peels, microdermabrasion and microneedling with RF technology, fractional CO2 laser. We advise according to the patient's requirement in combination. So please do visit and the qualified dermatologist and get benefited. Thank you very much.